In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the autocorrect settings in Microsoft Word, specifically focusing on how to stop Microsoft Word from automatically capitalizing the first letter of your sentences. This is a handy tip for those looking to maintain complete control over their typed documents, particularly in specialized writing situations where standard capitalization isn't desired. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word document. It doesn't matter which document you open because these changes will apply to all documents you work on in Word. The important thing is to ensure your Microsoft Word application is up and running so you can make the necessary settings adjustments. As you open your document, take a moment to appreciate how small changes in Word settings can greatly affect your writing workflow. Now, once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File tab. Clicking on this tab will open up a menu. This menu is your gateway to the various settings that control how Microsoft Word operates and interacts with your writing. It's worth noting how this section also gives you access to features like saving, printing, and sharing your document. But today we're focused on refining the way Word helps with text correction. In the menu that appears after you click File, you need to scroll down to find Options. Clicking Options opens a new window filled with a variety of settings that you can explore and adjust according to your preferences. We're heading specifically to the Proofing section. Proofing settings are where Word handles all things related to spelling, grammar, and autocorrections. When you find the Proofing section, select it. In the Proofing section, you'll notice an option labeled Autocorrect Options. This is the feature responsible for automatically capitalizing the first letter of your sentences, among other things. Click on Autocorrect Options to open a dialog box. This box is where the magic happens. You'll see various tabs dealing with different aspects of autocorrection and formatting. What we want to do next is straightforward. Look for the setting labeled Capitalize First Letter of Sentences. By default, this setting will be checked. What you need to do is simply uncheck this box. Unchecking it tells Microsoft Word to stop automatically capitalizing the first letter of your sentences, a small tweak but highly beneficial for maintaining a consistent, personal style in your documents, or when working within specific editorial guidelines. Once you've unchecked the box, confirm your changes by clicking OK. You can now close out of the Options menu and you're all set. This setting change is now applied across all your Word documents. Next time you start typing, you'll notice that Word won't automatically capitalize your sentences, giving you more control over your document's appearance and style. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've customized your Word settings to better suit your writing needs. Enjoy!